Baby, who colored this? Who colored this? This synthetic wig. Who colored it? So they can come and color out my other hair. Who did it? Cause I love it.
I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move, rhythm talks and you listen. Coconut spelling the way you get down to business, yeah. Said I'm drawn to you and just can't get enough. Question mark.
It's just you and me, Bonnie and Clyde, yeah. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flooding my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick.
Hey ladies, it's Chadney B here. I'm coming back to you with another wig review. This is going to be from where, girl? Look. Oh my God. This right here, y'all. This right here reminds me of why we should not sleep on Amazon. This is a synthetic, you heard me right. Look at her. This is a synthetic unit from Amazon. Whoa. Yeah, that's what I said. Whoa, from Amazon. Do y'all see this? I don't really think that I have to even say much about this wig, because I think you see pretty well what I'm giving, what this hair is giving. And it's giving, look at me, sis. Look at me. Okay, so this video won't be long at all. It's just the basics. I purchased this wig with my own coin. Okay, so this is my honest opinion. If you have Prime, sis, get it. I got it in 2 days. This is a synthetic unit. It is a symmetrical bob. As you can see, nice length. I am 5'4". It's coming a little bit past my shoulders in the front, and then around it's kind of coming up above. Do y'all see this ombre slayage? Let me know if you can see it. It is coming down like a waterfall. Y'all see that? It is coming down like a waterfall. Let's take some time to admire this ombre. This is one of the nicest ombre synthetic blends that I could see coming through from Amazon, okay? Look at it, and it feels so good. I'm trying to test more Amazon wigs out for you guys, because I do know that when we go and we look at these wigs, they look so appeasing, they look so appealing, they look so affordable. And then you get it and then it looks like a costume, a Halloween costume wig. Some of these will be hits, some of them will be misses, but this right here, this is definitely a hit. I feel like that I purchased this from like another wig site, like Divatress or Wig Types. This is a really nice bob. So it looks kind of yellowish on here, I guess, because of maybe the camera or the lighting, but it is a black going into maybe like a blondish, a deep blonde color, or a brownish tone Y'all let me know what it looked like, but I will make sure that I link it down below, the actual price point, as well as the direct link where you can purchase it. You saw where it was kind of curled tighter a little bit, and then I loosened it up with some flat irons. It doesn't take much. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, comb it out. Put a little bit of mousse at the top. Y'all see I did not pluck the part whatsoever. I just put some concealer at the top of it. Put me a little Eddie baby hair right there. I ain't really doing too much, and I called it a day. There is no combs in this unit, so for those who don't like the combs to be pulling out on your sides or anything, this is for you. Even though it's on securely. It's not too tight. It's actually coming over my ears a little bit, so it is big head friendly. It is a comfortable, like, it is so lightweight. I feel like it's growing out of my head. Like, the hair is so soft. Even when I took a little piece out to cut it for the baby hair, I don't know if y'all done ever felt like some really soft hair, but this hair was so soft. And then, you know, like some synthetic wigs, when you cut the baby hair, it just be so blunt and just straight and thick and like plasticky. So like you have a hard time with keeping it laid down or like laying it down. It's like a piece of damn cardboard. No, sis, this ain't it. Like, it felt like it was my own hair that I was cutting and laying down. And so I haven't had any problem ever since. So let me go ahead and give you a 360 because this is about it with this hair, y'all. Like, go get this hair. I think they have this in black as well. They may have other colors, I'm not sure, but definitely I'm going to go back and give me a black one of these as well. But this right here, this joint, I'm definitely going to rock this joint. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me go ahead and give y'all the 360. Here is the front of the wig. As you can see, very, very nice. Very nice length. Very nice frame of the face, especially with somebody with a wide pie face like mine. Okay, I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. I know, right? She's cute. Here is the back. Here is the side. Baby, who colored this? Who colored this? This synthetic wig. Who colored it? So they can come and color out my other hair or show me how to do it. Now color my other hair. Who did it? Because I love it. And here is the front. So yeah, that is really like the specs. I really just put this wig on, put a little piece of a baby hair at the top, put a little concealer at the top. If you can see, here is the parting space. You can pluck it if you want to. I feel like mine is good enough. I don't need no big old passageway right here, sis. I'm good. You can see a little look like some skin, then we good. We all right. I put some, just put a little bit of my, try to flat it down at the top with my, what's it called? My little heat comb. Don't do it too much, girl, because it's going to set this hair on fire. Remember, this is a synthetic unit. I think I burnt a little bit at the top right here, but that's all right. We're going to keep on going. I'm going to wear this again. Anyway, so yeah, I give this wig a thumbs up. If you need a quick do for Valentine's Day, if you want a quick look, or you got an event coming up or something, if you have Prime, put this in your cart. Check out. Wait 2 days, get this wig and slay this wig. Take a picture, girl, so I can repost you, because this right here, like, this don't look like it came from Amazon, guys. So Amazon is stepping this game up. I think that you have to really look in research with Amazon. And like I said, it's a hit or a miss. So I'm trying to bring more Amazon wigs to you. I think right now everybody is like really raving on the human hair wigs that Amazon is providing in the bundles, which is fine. You might see me coming up with some future videos. So if that's what you want to see, if you want to see more human hair wigs that I review from like Amazon and things of that sort, let me know. I'll make sure I incorporate that. But I think the synthetic world on Amazon is really, really slept on because it's hard to find. So I'm already doing the work. I'm already ordering. I shop on Amazon all the time. Why not bring it to you guys and let you know the ones that I've looked up on? So I'm going to give you the real deal. I know that, and I've said this before, I'm going to try and find a nice way to say it, but Amazon has these pictures, and the pictures may not match up with how the actual hair looks when you get it. Then on vice versa, the hair may look like trash, or the hair may look good, but then you go and you look at the reviews, and the people who's supposed to actually show you really what it looked like, it be looking a mess on their head too. And I just be like, this is not happening. Go on YouTube, and I don't really see any reviews for these for these wigs that I'm ordering. So I'm like, let me help y'all out, because I know I can't be the only one that's really trying to see how these wigs look, and I'm disappointed by the pictures in the reviews. So why not try to provide some type of texture or context within YouTube for those people who are shopping on Amazon too for synthetic and human hair wigs. So I'm your girl. I'm your girl. I'm the one that's going to be bringing it to y'all because I got Prime. Hey, I got Prime. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Thumbs up this video if you like this video, if you like this wig, if you would rock this wig, if you like how it looks, if you like the ombre, or if you are interested in this in another color. Like I said, I will post that information down below. If you are interested in shopping on Amazon and you need more reviews to specific wigs, link them to me, comment down them to me. You can DM me on Instagram at @the_real_Chadney. Yeah, but like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get the channel to 4,500 subscribers. We hit 4,000 a while ago. So once I get to 5,000, I am going to do a giveaway. The goal is to hit 10,000. We're going to hit over that, but I'm just saying. So be sure to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you are aware of all of the new videos that I have in store for you. I am uploading these videos left and right, sis. So I guarantee you there is something that you are going to want to see. So don't miss out. In the meantime, in between time, take care of yourself, because if you can't take care of yourself, child, then you can't come back to see me. And if you can't come back to see me, I'm going to be devastated. I'm gonna be devastated because I love you. Y'all know I love you. I love you. I love you. Pinky promise. I'll do the same. Until next time, peace. For Black History Month. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, gotta go. Bye. Y'all, this how it is. Smack your mama, because it's cute.